Uy! Andyan pala kayo? What's up, TC Mayors? This is your TCMS MC, Shanine. And today we're going to review the coffee shops na usual tambayan ng mga TC Mayors. Starting with Star Cafe. Ate, what's your name po?
Rowena.
My question is, what's the best seller po sa menu ng Star Cafe?
Ang best seller po natin sa milk tea po, mayroon po tayong winter melon at saka dark choco po. Sa iced coffee naman natin, yung salted caramel and cafe latte. And same din po yung sa hot. And sa fruity po natin, meron po tayong lychee at saka strawberry po.
Yes. So, narinig nyo na yung mga, yung mga bestseller nila, kaya pumunta na kayo dito. And ang next question ko po is, bakit po sa tingin nyo dinadayo to ng mga students?
Kasi ngayon, sa panahon ngayon, yung mga kabataan, nagiging comfort zone nila yung coffee. So, marami sila, tapos affordable pa yung price. Kasi sa halagang 50 pesos to 40 pesos, makakabili na kayo ng iced coffee, fruity, at iba pang mga flavor.
Okay, thank you ate. May gusto po ba kayong sabihin? Saan po ba to? And stuff?
Sa mga gusto pong bumili ng Star Cafe, na location na po kami ngayon sa bago na po naming location, sa tabi po ng Potato Corner. Bali po, sa dati po naming pwesto, konting paliko lang kayo sa tabi lang ng Potato Corner. Kaya dayuhin nyo na.
Ate, pwede po bang pa-order ng mga bestsellers niyo?
Okay ba ito na maliliit lang?
Oo. Harap ba? And we're done ordering from SK. Ngayon naman nakatambay tayo dito sa dati niyang branch, which is here lang sa may Magnolia Street. And alam niyo kung bakit laging tambayan ng mga students from Dark Covenant here? Kasi it's affordable and also pwede kayong magchikahan dito after class kasi ang ganda ng vibes and mahangin. And that's it. Let's go to our next location. Uy! So currently we are here at our second location, which is ang Takoyan. Fun fact, did you know na ang SK at Takoyan ay magka-collaborate since it's a family business? And once na magkakasama kayo ng friends nyo and may umorder dito ng isang drink, you can bring any drink from SK to here. Before we start ordering, tanungin muna natin ang mga employees about sa Takoyan. Tara! So we're going to interview the employees of Takoyan. Ate, what's your name po?
My name is Madeline po.
What about you, kuya?
JC po.
Ikaw po.
Jello po.
Question 1 po is, what is your best sellers po?
Bale po, yung best seller po natin sa coffee po, sa coffee base. Meron po tayong Spanish latte, caramel macchiato, and white chocolate latte. Ito po yung naging best seller po natin kasi ito po yung kape na hindi po gaanong matapang at ito po ay
kaya kayong paglaban.
So, question number 2, ate. What is the history of the collaboration of SK and Takoyan?
Bale, business started po in connection sa Star Coffee po, but with a different branding po. And then, Takoyan established po to introduce coffee using beans from Batangas po. That's all po.
And last but not the least, bakit dinadayo ng students ang Takoyan?
Salita na po. I think kaya dinadayo yung Takoyan dahil sa vibes niya din. Then, pwedeng mag-relax dito. Then pwede pong gumawa ng assignment, yun. Then budget friendly din siya. Tapos malamig po. Yun po.
So, thank you for those answers po. And now, let's proceed to buying their products. Tara, try na natin. Mali siya. Nagbabato-bato pa siya. Nagbabato pa siya.
Sino ba yung tapos ngayon, sabi ko sa radyo, gagawin ko nga doon ng code para may code mo kami.
Ikaw pa rin.
Diba? Tapos kakababasa ko na ng dahil sa comments sa share post ni Sean.
Miss you. Miss you. So, nandito na yung order natin, kaya tikman na natin. Taste test. We're gonna try it. Gonna. Ang crunchy niya, girl! Oh my God! Tapos meron pang ice cream. New.
Diba?
Sofer. Okay na yun, di?
Ano sabi mo sa taste?
Crunchiness, 10 out of 10. Sweetness, 10 out of 10. Oo eh. Overall, 1 million over. Masarap. It's good. Kaya try nyo na. Try nyo na. Dali oh. Subukan ko kayo. Say ah! Say ooh! So, Takoyan is a place na chill lang ang vibes, music, and everything. You can even do your assignments, projects, and everything here. Like, as in here. Here inside Takoyan. Kaya, ano pang hinihintay mo? Tara na! So, we are at our third coffee shop, which is ang Love Cafe. And dito, mafe-feel mo talaga yung aesthetic vibes. Like, look at the mirror! Look! You can take photos there. Kitang-kita ka ba? You can take photos here and sobrang grabe yung mga foods nila. Like, sobrang appetizing. Kaya now, i-interview na natin ang staff about sa Love Cafe. So, tara G! Ate, what's your name po?
Hi, I'm Chelsea po. I'm the barista here in Love Cafe.
So, okay, my first question po is, what's your best sellers po here?
So, here in Love Cafe, our best seller for iced coffee po is the Spanish latte. Marami pong nag-order nun. And for ice blended naman po, we have the Seaside Charm, which is also, it's an ice blended frap na may coffee jelly as sinker, and then it's a salted caramel coffee-based frap po.
Okay, thank you po. So, you heard naman, di ba? Kaya mag-order na kayo here. And second question po is, bakit po sa tingin nyo dinadayo ng students ang Love Cafe?
Maybe because nasa center din siya talaga ng, yung location din talaga ng coffee shop, and nadadaanan siya ng tao. And not only that, flexible din yung hours namin. So, we're open from 11 a.m. to 1 a.m. in the morning. So, yun din, nagiging busy din talaga yung coffee shop around rush hour, mga from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. talaga. And not only students ang dumadayo dito, but also yung mga professionals natin na work from home, they can use and utilize yung mga equipments natin dito sa coffee shop. We have board games, we have accessible outlets also, and a Wi-Fi po na that's free for all. So, in a way, nagagamit po nila yun to have a new environment. Kung they're tired of their rooms na po or sa bahay nila, they can always visit here in Love Cafe.
Okay. Ano na lang po, last question na lang. Saan po nanggaling tong cafe? Like, how did it started po?
So, by the name itself, itinayo tong Love Cafe with love and with faith. And our tagline for our coffee shop is derived from the 1 Corinthians chapter 14, verse 16. All you do, be done in love. So, yung mga owners, not only our employer, but also the employees of Love Cafe, mararamdaman mo yung pagmamahal namin for the customers, and yung quality din ng food namin, it shows na yung amount of love na we put in everything that we do. Yun po.
If you can share naman po the location po and kung saan po makikita to, you can share naman.
So we have 2 branches. We have our first branch po, yung first ever na natinayo is in Pilar Building in Barangay Tipas in Taguig City. And this is our second branch, Love Cafe, here in Barangay Rizal, Taguig City also. So for now, we only have 2 branches, but hopefully soon magtatayo pa kami ng other branches.
Thank you po. So, narinig nyo naman kung saan located tong Love Cafe, and also, narinig nyo rin yung mga bestsellers nila, kaya pumunta na kayo dito. So, medium, tapos nachos po, and 2 order po ng cheese Hungarian sausage. Tapos, last po is yung boneless bangus.
2 order po ng cheese Hungarian sausage.
Apo.
Then, last po is
Boneless bangus.
anything else po.
None.
Repeat ko lang po yung order nila. So, isang labis ko po ng medium, isang nachos, isang...
Nepal. Paikot, that starts with letter.
India.
May type.
Desserts. Ito nasa taas.
Yung blue. Ito ba? Biscuit. Finland. Grace.
Paano to? Grace?
Greece pa rin. Datag time-lapse tayo.
So, nakita nyo naman yung mga usual tambahan spots ng mga DAI Covenant students. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara na! And that's it for today. This is your TCMS MC, Shanine Dorothy Ramos, and I believe in the saying, everything happens for a reason. Kaya, follow our social media accounts right here. Till next time, tara, G! Ta! Favorite coffee shop?
Cream.
Cream, coffee shop cream.
Big Brew.
Magano ba sa Big Brew? 39? 29, 39. Ang 49, ano yun eh, frap yun eh. Merong rice. Ang sarap ng rice.
Ito pala ang pagiging ina. Kano kailangan nyo lang?
Mabaon.
Parang
Ma'am, may research po kami ngayon. Kailangan 5,000.
5,000. Sir Eugene, tay, bigyan mo to 5,000.
Tayo, may research po kami ngayon.
5,000. Kulang to sa 5,000.
Marami 5,000. Okay, here's my card.
May ganon, may ganon.
Naka-black card pala siya, no?
Card na 11.
Black room.
Sabi ko ba ito kasi love si araw-araw kasi nakikita ko.
Ulo. Kalma, ulo.